break and time. Check the sales.
Start of first round. This is 3 minutes per round.
Last na yan, Arencho. Last na yan. Last na yan. Mati.
Okay, let's not forget the Ifugao Builder Fighter is the best fighter yesterday, giving us the best entertainment. And now, announcing the result of bout number 68, winner by RSC in 2 minutes of the very first round, from the red corner, Francis Harencio of Baguio City.
Nice!
Congratulations, earning their second gold medal of Baguio City and Ifugao for